Ever feel like the price of everything is going up? Well, guess what? Your hobbies might be next on the list. We stumbled across some news that's got us thinking about how trade wars could be messing with the fun stuff in our lives. Welcome to the channel. Join them as they kick back and talk about why your weekend plans might just get a little pricier. Okay, here's a simple and casual language I'll call easy speak, and a conversation using it based on that article headline.
Yo, Ben. What's up?
Hey, Alex. Just grabbin a coffee. You see that article thing?
Which one? My feed's kinda wild today.
The one about Trump's trade war. Gonna mess with our hobbies and stuff.
Seriously? Like how?
Yeah, man. Says it's gonna hit the price of all sorts of things we like to do. You know, like maybe your guitar or my bike parts.
Ugh, no way. My old six-string is practically part of me. Don't tell me it's gonna cost a fortune to get new strings or fix it up.
That's what it sounds like. And it ain't just music stuff. Could be anything from sports gear to art supplies, even like fancy coffee beans or whatever.
So basically, if you got a hobby, this trade war might make it a pain in the wallet?
Pretty much. Says it could be a lifestyle blow. Sounds kinda dramatic, but I guess if your thing is super expensive now, it kinda is.
That's a bummer. I was actually thinking of getting a new drone this summer. Guess I should hold off and see what happens with all this trade drama.
Good call. Might be cheaper to stick with what you got for now. Or find a new, super cheap hobby, like collecting rocks or something.
Huh. Yeah, maybe. Anyway, thanks for the heads up. Gotta keep an eye on this stuff.
No prob, man. Catch you later.
Later.
Well, that's the lowdown on how trade wars could be a bit of a buzzkill for our hobbies. Hopefully, our easy speak made it clear as mud in a good way. Seriously though, try using some of that simple language in your next convo. It's easier than you think. Don't forget to like this video if you found it interesting. Subscribe for more easy to understand content. And tell us in the comments what your favorite hobby is.